Presentation Video Computer Programming, Group 15, title Cinema Booking System. Problem statement: to develop a program that shows the available seats and the current movie schedule. The program allows users to choose seats and book tickets for movie. The booking summary will be shown at the end of the program. Our group member consists of Nur Ain Natasha binti Muhammad Zaimi, Nur Alia binti Shamsul Bahari, Nur Idina Atira binti Izahar Kamil, Umi Aina binti Jalani, Aida Shazana binti Al Rahman. This is our coding, but we will explain in a more systematic way later. First, we use 6 library files, then declare all the variables used in the main function, then declare all the functions that we'll be using later. We also declare an output file to write to a file. So first, we call function to jump to function menu in line 179 until 195. In this function, we will display the local date and time and also display option A for movie booking, while B if to quit. This then will end with we ask the user to select an option. We then proceed to main function in line 30, where we use system CLS. This is to give more option for the user to enter option A or B in capital or small letter. Then we use a if-else statement, so if the user chooses B rather than A, the statement will quit. Next, we create a file name to connect external text file to internal program file stream object. Computer will save file under external file so it won't be erased. Next, we use sync ignore to clear one or more characters from the input buffer. This will give some time before the programs read the next line. Next display, we will prompt the user to enter their name, email, and phone number. Move on. We'll call function to jump to function movie line 215. This function will display option of 3 movies with show time and hall number. Then it will go back to main function in line 55. Then it will ask the user to select a movie using 1, 2, and 3 regarding to the hall number, and also use 1, 2, and 3 for user to pick the show time. This time we use while and else if statements so that if the user enter besides option 1, 2, and 3, it will display you have entered a wrong selection and loop again until user use the option given. This will end with we prompt the user to enter their seating number. After that, we declare more functions. The program then call function and jump to function setting in line 235. In this function, we use array to display a more convenient image of setting for user to see. It will then go back to main function in line 113. Then we call function to jump to function seat available in line 247. This function header is to display to the user whether the seat is available or booked. Here we declare file name so that every user's details will be kept in the file. Then we declare all the variables that we'll use for function seat available. The program will then read the latest input from the file. We'll use if-else if statement in a while loop. That is for when the first user already booked a seat, then the programs will save the data so that the second user cannot book the same seat. And then we will read the latest input from the file. This is an example of when a new user wants to book another ticket. We will display the latest input to user, the seats number, whether it is available or booked. Next, the programs will read the function check seat that we declare in line 121. Then we call function to jump to function check seat in line 411. This is where the program will cap the data as we declare file name. This is for the next user. The program will open the file to check whether the seat is available or booked by previous user. So here for the next user, if they choose a booked seat, the program will ask to choose another seat. After the user finalizes their choices, the program will display the final receipt. Then display your order is successful and showing the detailed data of users. If we want to see all the users' data, we open the file stated in line 158. This file will show even if a user chooses 2 seats, the file will show the data of the user twice, but with different choices of seat. That is from us. Thank you.